Welcome all of you to our channel, Cocoa Fermentation in Sri Lanka. The Dumbara Plateau is situated in the central province of Sri Lanka. It is surrounded by the Knuckles Forest Range and the Hantana Mountain Range. The meaning of Dumbara is always misty, and the area has a wet and also tropical climate. Due to these conditions, cardamoms, cloves, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and other crops grew naturally in these areas. The main reason for the lush growth of these crops is the morning sunlight which falls on the eastern slope of this plateau. This also adds to the rich flavor and aroma of the crops. In 1850, the British started a mixed plantation in this area on either side of the Mahaveli River. There was a small waterfall there which the British named as Victoria Falls. Eventually, this became Victoria Plantation. Later on, due to easy identification and pronunciation of the villagers, Victoria Plantation became Rani Vatta. Rani means queen in Sinhala. This land was used for cocoa cultivation. Due to the climatic and natural factors as mentioned above, cocoa grew very well and gave a very good taste and flavor. It was even used by the royal families and became world famous. After independence, many chocolate factories started in this area and became famous worldwide. Due to the construction of the Victoria Reservoir, many areas had to be given over. Now, cocoa is grown on domestic land as a mixed crop by farmers. There was a unique method of fermentation in the olden days, which is still used by farmers in this area. This method gives a product of high quality flavor and aroma, and clean without any mixing of waste material.
I give thanks, Holy Father, for creation of this beautiful spirit. I give thanks, Holy Mother, giving birth to the sacred seed.
Thanks, and hope to meet you soon with another product.